Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add another TikTok account into your app. You're going to do this on Android. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, we're going to open a TikTok account. We're going to go to the bottom right corner on the little guy icon. It's going to show up this information, and you're going to see switch account. We're going to select add a new one with the plus sign, and here you basically can choose to add another account, either existing, or if you just want to create another one, you can definitely do so. You have a lot of options in there, as we previously discussed, and you just need to put the rest of the information. It is asking me this because this is a brand new account, so I need to input this information. If you guys would like to see how to create a TikTok account, I have a video linked, so you guys can check it out afterwards. After that, it will just ask you to create a username. Again, because this is a brand new account, we're just going to put in the information. For this, we're just going to put something, I don't know. Let's put something very simple. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, let's just put my account, and that was not available. Okay, so right now it's just loading up the new profile, and there you go. So again, as previously, it's just giving us how to navigate, and that is basically it. Just go into our account, and you guys are going to see that it's a brand new account. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. See you.